Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to fix your Asus VivoBook touchpad not working. So let's take a look how to do that. You can see right over I have Asus VivoBook and this is my touchpad. If I'm going to move this touchpad, I will see the mouse pointer is not working. That means something happened in my laptop. So what is the reason, or why exactly it is not moving? Let me explain you, or let me show you how you can easily fix these things. You can see in your laptop, you will see there is some function key. You will see there is one function key which is F6. You can see that is also include a touchpad logo. So you have, if you click by mistakenly, maybe you key, so you might be typing something and by accidentally you press this F6 button and it's going to be automatically enabled. Right now if I'm moving my mouse, you can see the mouse pointer is moving. So by mistakenly or by accidentally you might be clicking this F6 button and it's automatically touchpad is disabled in your laptop. And now if you're going to try to move, or if you're going to try to work on your touchpad, it's not going to be work. So what you have to do, you just click in your laptop F6, so it's going to be enable the touchpad, and then easily you can work your mouse. So this is how you can easily enable or disable touchpad in your Asus VivoBook. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.